Guess what came in the mail today?
These nuts. Got it!
What's going on, guys? It's your boy Zach here. Welcome back to another unboxing and review type of video on the channel. Today we're basically going to be unboxing and reviewing the Blue Yeti microphone. I haven't taken it out of its packaging because I pretty much received it like that from Amazon. So we're just going to be unboxing it and then at the end give a little review. And to help me film this video, I got my little brother Max.
What's up, guys?
He was in our previous video when we unboxed the IUKUS microphone, the cheap one that we made. So I'm going to do a little comparison too with that mic and this mic. This is the best quality microphone you can get on the market. And if you can see, it's rated right there, #1 USB microphone. Let's just get into it. Hallelujah. This is basically the box that it came in. So just says Blue Yeti premium USB microphone. You just have basically some information on the side. Literally satisfying when you just... At the top, that's what we get. So this is basically the top. It comes with this. This, I imagine, is the USB port that you would plug into your computer and then also into the mic. And then it gives you all this information paper at the bottom there. So I won't be needing this stuff, so I can just toss on my bed there. And then the beautiful mic itself sitting in the box. I'll actually link below the website where I got the mic. Oh, this thing is so heavy. It's literally upside down and it's heavy. And then I think right here on the sides is just to like tighten it so it doesn't move. There's the mic itself with the logo right above. You got the mute. You also have the volume so you can control the volume. And then on the other side, the gain. And then you have the different patterns. Here's the cord. The cord's pretty long too. It's basically like a 2-foot long cord. Alright, so I'm gonna compare both microphones. So the Blue Yeti and the IUKUS or IUKUS, I don't really know how you really pronounce it. Meet you on my computer. Alright guys, so we're on my computer right now. We have the old microphone that still works pretty fine. I just had a lot of complaints in my streams that it had kind of like buzzing noises here and there. Even after a year, it still works pretty well. If I were to stream, like, this would be the audio quality after a year of having it. So now we're going to compare with the Blue Yeti one. Alright guys, so we're on my computer with the Blue Yeti microphone that's plugged in right now. I'm using actually the cardioid, I think that's how you say it, pattern. So basically it'll just capture the audio that's right in front of the mic. If I talk anywhere else near it, even like behind it, we'll just kind of go around the different patterns. Now we're on the ASMR like thing right there. Hello, 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 hello. So if you like ASMR, then you would basically be doing that. And if I change the pattern to omnidirectional, will basically capture literally all the audio that would be around the mic. So if you're doing a podcast and you're only using one microphone, that would be the best pattern to use. And then the last pattern, basically pick up the audio that's at the front and back of the microphone. There you guys have it, the comparison of both microphones. So now we'll go straight to the review. Alright guys, so we're back with the review. So for material wise, I think I would give it a 9. I wouldn't give it a 10 just because like these two parts right here, if you tighten it like all the way, like it'll still be like all flimsy. So that's the only part that I really don't like. But then what's cool is that you have all the different options down there, so you can plug your headset that would go in here in this hole right there, and then you would be able to hear yourself, which is kind of cool. Max, what would you give the material?
I'd give it a 9.5 because, to be honest, these don't really matter. The rest is really good. I like everything that they put on it. It's nice.
For sound quality, I would give it definitely a 10 out of 10. This is literally the best, one of the best microphones that I've had. This is just amazing audio quality. I love it, so 10 out of 10 for me. Max, what did you think about the audio quality?
Also a 10 out of 10. It sounded really good.
So there you guys have it. We unboxed and reviewed the Blue Yeti microphone. It's the black microphone there with the USB. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you guys want me to review any other Amazon products, and I'll be sure to do that for you guys.
I recommend it. It's really
we definitely recommend this microphone. This is the best. If you're starting streaming or doing a podcast or doing anything mic involved, this is definitely your go-to microphone, but obviously it has quite a budget to it. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Peace.
Je peux plus me sortir de la spirale, j'ai envie de tailler quand elle part. J'accorde plus trop d'importance à cette biche, le changement me fait trop mal. Si je parie qu'elle fait non, je me sentirais coupable. Donc je reste et je m'ennuie dans son dos, je fais des coups bas. Jolie veut qu'un bisou, mais je crois que c'est pas fait pour moi. Elle s'accroche à ce qu'elle peut, mais je crois pas en l'espoir. Et elle continue d'y croire. Jolie baby, apaise ton cœur dans un mouchoir.